Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how you can use Google Finance Investment Tracker. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to google.com/finance and log in to your Google account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, you should see all the investments currently ongoing from different markets: the US, Europe, Asia, and other currencies, crypto, and futures. Now, for you to use, or for us to use this investment tracker, let's first make a new portfolio. So, simply click here and add a name to your portfolio. For this video, let's choose Tracker. Then, save. The next step would be to add investments right here. So, you can choose from all the investments that are suggested right here, from Bitcoin, Index, Roblox, and so much more. Let's choose one, and then you're going to select a quantity and a purchase date, and of course, the purchase price. Now, after that, you can either save or save and add another. And from here, you can now easily track this from time to time on how your investment is going on. And if you want to add a new one, simply click here. And same with earlier, it would then be tracked accurately by this investment tracker. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!